morning, my child. Today we go further about extra examples. We already studied some more examples regarding exercise 1.5 and 1.6. Now, one or two example remaining regarding 1.5. So we can do in next question number 9. 4 plus root 2. 4 plus root 2 upon 2 plus root 2 is equal to a minus root 3. A minus root 3. Then we have to find out a and b. Now first we have to take here LHS. What is our LHS? So 4 plus 2 root 2, then we multiply minus 2 minus root 2 because we need to rationalize 2 plus root 2, 2 minus root 2. Then here 4 plus root 2, this is 2 minus root 2, so that's why we multiply this both this way, plus root 2, 2 minus root 2. Then in the denominator a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So here 4 to the 8 minus 4 root 2 plus here 2 root 2 minus 2. In the denominator that is 2. Here we know that 8 minus 2, that is 6, minus 4 root 2 plus 2 root 2, that is minus 2 root 2. In the denominator 2, so that's why we know that 2 is also here and 2 is also here, so that's why we carry out 2. So 3 minus root 2 in the denominator is again 2. So here we know that 2 and 2 is got, so 3 minus root 2 we know that is equal to RHS. What is the RHS? A minus root b. We know that what is a is equal to 3 and minus root b is equal to 2. So here we write a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. This is your answer. Clear? Then next we go further. Right, the question number 10 is 4 plus 3 root 5. 4 plus 3 root 5 in the denominator 4 minus 3 root 5, then a plus b root 5. We have to find out a and b. See here we take LHS is equal to 4 plus 3 root 5, 4 minus 3 root 5. We need to multiply with plus term. So here both the term are same, so that's why we can write whole square. In the denominator, what is the value of this? 4 square, that is 16, minus here 3 square, that is 9, 9 5 is 45. So here 4 plus 3 root 5 square, that is 16, plus 4 3 is 12, that is 24 root 5, plus 3 root 5 whole square, that is 45 in the denominator. 16 minus 45, we know that 45 minus 10 is 35, then minus 29. Again here 16 plus 45, it is 55 plus 6. 55 plus 6, that is 61 plus 24 root 5. So that's why we can divide by minus 29. We separate the denominator, so it is minus 61 divided by 29, and here minus 24 upon 29. root 5. Okay, again now it is equal to LHS is equal to a plus b root 5. So here we know that what is a is here, b is here. So a is equal to minus 61 upon 29 and b is equal to minus 24 upon 29. See here it is plus given, here it is minus given, so we have to take this whole as a your b. Clear? So this is your answer. Now next we do some more sum regarding exercise number 1.6. Here your question number 1 is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, then find out the value of 1 is equal to x raised to y plus y raised to x. Then next, second, x raised to x plus y raised to y minus 1 power. Okay, so first one, what is the value of x? That is 5 raised to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 2 raised to 5, it is 25, this is 32, so answer is 57. Here x 5 plus y 2 minus 1, we know that 5 is 5 power. Here we need to multiply the 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 up to 5 times. So we know that this is 25, this is 25 and 5 remaining. We again know that this is 625 multiply 5. So again 625 multiply 5, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 2 carry, 5 is 10, 12 2 1 carry, 6 5 is 30 and 31. So answer will be your 3125. So here 3125 plus here 2 square, that is 4 raised to minus 1. So that's why here we know that this is 3129 raised to minus 1. So answer will be your 1 upon this is minus 1 power. We need to do this power as a plus, so that's why we can write in the denominator like this. So this is your answer. Clear? Then next, simplify the following. Question number 2 is 5 square 8 raised to 1 upon 3, then plus 27 1 upon 3, then its power 3 and its whole power is 1 upon 5. See, this type of sum we can calculate with the help of first we do the solution of between bracket, okay, small bracket. So that's why here we know that this is 5 square, that is 25. Here 8 1 upon third power, we know that this is the value of 2 cube, that is 8. So this is the 2 cube. Here 2 cube and 1/3 is cut, so that's why here answer is 2. Here we know that this is 3 cube, so answer will be 3. It is 3 power and it's 1 upon 5 power. Here it is 25. Here we know that it is 2 plus 3, that is 5, and it's 3 power. It's 1 upon 5 power. So we know that this is a 5's 2 power and this is 5's 3 power and it's 1 upon 5 power. So here 5 is 2 power and here multiply is given, so here 5 is 3, so 2 plus 3 1 upon 5. Here we know that 5 is 5 power and it's 1 upon 5. This 5 and 5 cancelled, so answer will be your 5. Next, minus 1 upon 27. Minus 1 upon 27 and it's minus 2/3 power. Now again see here. We know that minus 1 upon 27 and its minus 2/3 power is given here. Then if you want to do it plus, then what can we do? We write this one is in the numerator 27, then its power going to be 2/3. Clear? It is going to be plus. Then minus 27, this is 3 cube and its 2/3 power 3 is equal, so minus 3 square. We know that minus 9, 3 square is 9. Clear? Then next, your question number 4. 3 cube root 40. 3 cube root 40 minus 4 cube root 320 minus cube root 5. Now see, first we simplify this one. This is 3. We know that this is 8 5 ja 40 by, we can do 8 5 ja 40 because we know that the cube root of 8 is obvious 2. Here again we know that this is 320, it is multiplication of 30, wait, 16 2 ja, so we write in this one 8 4 ja, 8 multiply 8, 64 multiply 8 is a 64. Here we know that it is 5. Yes. See, 8 5 ja 40. 40 multiply 8. This is 8 4 ja 32. So this is 320 and minus here cube root of 5. Again we know that here cube root of 8 is 2, so we can write like this way, and in the cube root 5. Again here 4, we know that this is 8 and this is also 8, so cube root of this both is 2, and here also 2, and here cube root of 5 minus cube root of 5. So here 3 2 ja 6, cube root of 5 minus 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16, cube root of 5 minus cube root of 5. Again here we know that this is 6, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, so this is 10 cube root 5 minus cube root 5. This both are minus terms, so we do the addition, so minus 11 cube root 5. This is your answer. Clear? Then next, question number 5. See, all these sum are very easy, but when you can do more and more practice of this sum, so that's why you can feel that it is so much easy. Then question number 5. 25 3 by 2 power, then plus multiply 343 1/5 power, 343 1/5 power. In the denominator 16 raised to 5 upon 4. This is 5 upon 4. Then 8 raised to 4 upon 3 multiply next 7 raised to 3 upon 5. See here. Now we simplify this one. We know that this is the 5 square and it's 3 by 2 power. Multiply. We have to check this one that it is the multiplication of 3 up to maybe 5 times. Okay. So see here. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. Okay. Then 81 3 ja 81 3 ja it is your 2 4 3. So you have to check like this way. Then it is not done through this 3, so you can check with 7. 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja. We know that this is a 343. Clear? So that's why we took here 7's 3 power. 7 raised to 3 and it's 1 upon 5. In the denominator this is 2 raised to 4 power and it's 5 upon 4 power. Multiply here 2 cube and it's 4 upon 3 power and multiply 7 raised to 3 upon 5. Now again this is 2 and 2 cut, this is 4 4 cut, 3 3 cut. Clear? And now see here 5 cube is remaining. Multiply, this is written like this way, 3 multiply 1 upon 5, so this is 7 raised to 3 upon 5 and in the denominator this is 2 raised to 5 power. Multiply 2 raised to 4 power. Multiply 7 raised to 3 upon 5 power, so we know that these both are cancelled. So 5 raised to 3 in the denominator, this is 5 and this is 4, so that's why we can write that 5 plus 4, that is 9 power. Clear? This is your answer. Then next, also you want to simplify this in answer like this way. Then 5 cube, that is 125 and 2 raised to 9 power, that is maybe 5 pair. Okay, you have to multiply this up to 9 times, so that's why you can get easily answer like this way. Then after next one, 64 upon 125, 64 upon 125 and its minus to third power. Then plus 1 upon 256, 1 upon 256 upon 625 and its out of bracket 1/4 power plus here square root 25 in the denominator 64 and cube root is given maybe. Yes, cube root is given. So what is your next step? See here, first we know that this is the 8 square, but we cannot simplify this by 8 square. Okay, so here we know that it is written like this way, 8 multiply 8, or you can say that this is 2 raised to 6 power. Okay, so I'll be write directly 2 raised to 6 power. In the denominator 5 raised to 3 power and its minus to third power. So plus here 1 upon 256, this is maybe 4 raised to 4 power, 4 raised to 4 power and this is 5 raised to 4 power and it's 1/4 power. Plus here we know that this is a 5 and here this is a 2 raised to 6 power. Okay, now again see here, here 3 3 cut, 3 2 ja 6 and here 3 3 cut. Okay, why? Because here we have to give this power to this one also and this one also, both we need to separate them. So 2 2 ja 4 and in the denominator it is 5 and here its power minus 2. Here plus, we know that this is 5 raised to 4 power is the denominator of denominator, so that's why it is going to be in the numerator. So and here 4 and 4 cut, so here 5 upon 4 is your answer. And then next, this is 5, this is 1/3. We know that cube root is nothing but 1/3 power, so 1/3 power of 6 is 2 raised to 2 power, this is 2 and this is cut. Okay, so 2 raised to 2 power, that is 4. We know that here it is minus power, so that's why we can do the reciprocal of this one. So it is 5 upon 4 and its square, plus here we know that 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4, that is 10 upon 4. Now again here it is 25 upon 16 plus 10 upon 4. We need to multiply by 4 because we have to do the addition of this one. So here 25 plus 40, in the denominator 16, so answer will be your 65 upon 16. Clear? This is your answer. Then next, this is the such a kind of A and B you have to do in your homework. I will be giving you question number 7. Now what is your question number 7? A is equal to root 3 upon 7 and 7 upon A is equal to B root 3 is given. Then we have to find out B. See here, this is your homework. What can you do in this sum? So here A is given, then put this value in this A. Okay, this equation you have to put this one. So that's why we know that here root 3 upon 7. Now this is the denominator of denominator is 7, so that's why 7 is come to in the numerator, that is 7 7 is 49, in the denominator root 3, so that's why here B root 3, here the 49 upon root 3, so this is root 3 is coming downward, so root 3 multiplied root 3, that is 3, this is 49. Clear? So this is your answer. Then next 8, this is your homework. Question number 8 is given here, that 4 raised to 2x minus 1 and minus 16 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 384 is given. Then find out the value of x. So this is your question. Now see here, we know that this is the 2 raised to this is the 4 raised to 2x minus 1 power, and here we know that minus 16, that is nothing but 4 raised to 2 power, and here x minus 1 is already then given, and here we know that this is the 384. Therefore 4 raised to 2x minus 1, and here also minus 4 raised to 2x minus 2, we multiply 2 inside. We know that here 2x minus 1, and here also we can see that it is 2x minus 1 is given here. Why? Because if you divide these two in minus 1 minus 1, so that's why you can get this one. So we can take up as a common. So 5 raised to 2x minus 1 is your common. So in the bracket here 1 is remaining, minus here 4 raised to minus 1 power is remaining. Then here it is 384. Therefore here 4 raised to 2x minus 1, and here in the bracket 1 minus 4 raised to minus 1 power, so I'll be doing its reciprocal, so it is 384. Therefore here 4 raised to 2x minus 1, and here 1 minus 1 upon 4, that is 4 1 ja 4 minus 1, that is 3 upon 4 is equal to 384. Therefore 4 raised to 2x minus 1 is equal to 384 multiplied 4 divided by 3. See here, it is in the multiplication form, so that's why 3 is in the multiplication, it is going to be in the divide, and here 4 is come to multiplication. Therefore we know that 384 is divided by 3. How? See here, 3 1 ja 3, 0 8, 3 2 ja 6, 2 4, 8 3 ja 24. So answer will be here 0 0 6. So that's why we know that here it is 128. So 4 raised to 2x minus 1 is equal to 128 multiply 4. Now what is the 128 multiply 4? We need to find out the LCM of this one. Why? Because we need the 4 raised to power. This is the not 4 raised to power. Here this one only has a 4 raised to 1 power, but we have to subtract this one. Why? See here, 128. We know that it is divided by 4. 4 3 are 12, and here 4 2 are. Again we know that it is divided by 4. 8 here, clear? Then next again this is 4 2 ja, here 2 1. So is equal to 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 2 multiply 4. Therefore we know that here that is the 4 raised to 2x minus 1. So we can write here 2 raised to 2 2x minus 1. And here this is 2 raised to 2 power 2 raised to 2 2 raised to 2. Clear? Then therefore 2 raised to here 2 2 ja 4x minus 2 is equal to here 2 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is total 4 or for 8 or 1 9. So therefore we know that now 4x minus 2 is equal to 9. So that's why 4x minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 9. So therefore 4x is equal to 9 plus 2, that is 11. So x is equal to 11 upon 4. This is your answer. Clear? Then next again we have to simplify the following sum. Today is our last session. After this we can complete our first chapter. Then we are going to forward towards second chapter. Also we can say that move towards a second chapter. It is about a polynomial. Okay. So it is also very simple chapter. You have to just remember few equations for that. It is too much easy chapter for us. Here next one, question 9 is 2 raised to a divided by 2 raised to b, and it's out of bracket a plus b. Now see here, we know that this is 2 raised to a 2 raised to b, so that's why it is in the denominator divided form. So that's why base are same. So we can write here 2 a minus b, a plus b, here 2 b minus c, b plus c, plus 2 c minus a, c plus a is equal to 1. So that's why now we know that we have to multiply this a plus a minus b a plus b. This is a minus b a plus b. Answer will be a square minus b square, plus here 2 raised to what, b square minus c square, plus 2 raised to c square minus a square is equal to 1. So again we know that here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is given. So that's why what can we write here? See my child, we have done one mistake in this question. We write here plus. It is not plus here. Here it is multiply. Okay, so that's why we cannot get our answer. So please correct this one. This is multiply. So now we know that this is 2, 2 and 2 is your base are equal. So that's why you can do the addition of your power. So therefore 2 raised to what happened here, a square, b square, c square, c square cut. Okay, so answer will be 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0 power is 1 is equal to 1. So that's why you can write LHS equal to RHS. Clear?
Like, share and subscribe the channel Tropiconitrus Education and press the bell icon for more updates.